Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps on Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, open the settings, go for the apps. Here select apps and the features. Now you can scroll down or find your app right here. In this case I want to uninstall Opera. Now we're gonna click on it. We should see the uninstall button on the bottom right corner of the window. Select that and then proceed with the uninstallation process. And when it's ready, your app should be removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.